Devon Conway's full name is Devon Philip Conway. He was born on the 8th of July 1991 in Johannesburg, Gauteng Province, South Africa. He is not married. He is a cricketer and plays for the New Zealand cricket team. He is a left-handed batsman and right-arm medium bowler. His Test debut was on the 2nd of June 2021 versus England. His ODI debut was on the 20th of March 2021 versus Bangladesh and his T20 debut was on the 27th of November 2020 versus West Indies. His ODI number is 88. His highest score till today in ODI is 126 and in T20 99 and in IPL is 87. Till today, in ODI, he made 1 century and 2 50s. In Test matches, he made 3 centuries and 4 50s. In T20, he made 7 50s. Devon Conway single-handedly helped New Zealand to win many matches with his all-rounder performance.